Hey everyone, welcome back to Nova Launcher Setup. If you're looking to give your phone a sleek, functional, and minimalistic look, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an amazing Nova Launcher setup that will transform your home screen into something unique and stylish. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Nova Launcher. First things first, head over to the Play Store and download Nova Launcher. Once installed, set it as your default launcher. This is the foundation of our setup. Step 2. Backup and reset Nova settings. Before we dive in, let's start with a clean slate. Open Nova Settings, scroll down and tap Backup and Import Settings. Select Reset to Default. This ensures we're all starting from scratch. Step 3. Adjust Nova Settings. Now let's tweak the settings. 1. Go to Desktop Settings. Grid size, set it to 8x5 for a clean and organized layout. Icon size, reduce it to 80% for a minimal look. Turn off label visibility if you want a cleaner appearance. 2. Jump to Dock. Disable the dock entirely for a more spacious look. 3. Head over to App Drawer. Grid size, 6x4 for easy access. Background color, set it to a light or dark translucent shade depending on your wallpaper. 4. Finally, in Gestures and Inputs, assign swipe-up gestures to open the app drawer and double-tap to lock the screen. Step 4. Choose a wallpaper. Now let's pick a wallpaper that matches your vibe. I recommend using apps like Backdrops or Wally. Today I'm going with a minimalist gradient wallpaper for a modern look. Step 5. Install and apply an icon pack. Icons can make or break your setup. Head to the Play Store and download an icon pack like Wycons for a clean white look or Moonrise for a colorful aesthetic. To apply it, 1. Go to Nova Settings. Look and feel. 2. Tap Icon Style and select your downloaded icon pack. Step 6. Add widgets. Widgets are key to personalizing your home screen. For a modern clock or weather widget, try KWGT or Zooper widget. 1. Download the app in your favorite widget pack. 2. Add a widget to your home screen and customize it to match your style. Pro tip: keep widgets minimal and functional. Step 7. Final touches. Now let's finalize the setup. Arrange your icons symmetrically. Use folders to group similar apps. Add a swipe-up gesture for quick access to your favorite apps. And there you have it, a clean, functional, and stylish Nova Launcher setup. What do you think of this design? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to share your own setups with me on Instagram or Twitter using hashtag Nova Launcher Setup. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out these videos for more Nova Launcher inspiration, and don't forget to customize your phone to match your personality. Bye for now.